Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for February. Today's actually Valentine's Day, so I did some Valentine's themed makeup. When Claudia comes home from work today, we're gonna cook and, you know, do some cute Valentine's Day stuff, I guess. Watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Yeah, so excited for that. So this is this month's box. I did already do the opening thing because I feel like I'm gonna cut myself on camera one day if I just slice it here. So let's just get into the box. Alright, so, oh god, this is really heavy and I feel like every product's gonna come out, so I'm just gonna take this and place this on the floor. Oh, it already looks amazing. So the theme of this month's box is Afterglow, which is really cool. We have some products on the back. I don't like these cards. They used to have the fold-out cards, and then they went back to these, and I like the fold-out ones better. It gave like a better depiction. It showed pictures. I don't know, that's just me. So let's just get into it. The first product I see here is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This retails for $24 and it says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to this name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Yeah, I've seen this. This has been one of the most hyped up mascaras and I've never tried it before, and to be honest, the packaging feels so cheap. Like, I can tell that this is the only metal part, the wand. Okay, the wand looks nice. This wand reminds me of the ColourPop BFF mascara where it tapers in the middle. This section of the package feels really nice and luxurious. This feels cheap. I'm not a big fan of Too Faced, which is probably why I've never tried this mascara. I actually have a sample from Gen Beauty in my little closet over here, and I've never tried it. I just have never had the desire to try much from this brand. I tried the Hangover RX primer and it does weird things to my face, makes my makeup pale. I only have one lipstick and one lip oil from them. It's just not a brand I like to support. However, I will be trying this because I am doing a product review in like 2 weeks. So I guess I'm excited to see if this does live up to the hype that everyone hypes it up to be. Do I think it will? I don't know. I hope it's better than the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara because that flaked and smudged like crazy on me. So I guess let's just see. $24, so it already paid for the box. Oh, I do follow Boxycharm on social media, so I've seen all the spoilers. This is the next one. This is one of the things I was so excited about. This is the Touch in Sol No Pore Blum primer. And this is a smoothing primer. So it has a pump, which is really nice. I'm actually gonna feel this. I wonder if I'll be able to use it if it's, oh. It's surprisingly hydrating feeling. I'm putting it on the back of my hand and I can definitely feel that it's smoothing. But unlike the Cover FX blurring primer that we got, oh, this smells really good. This feels so hydrating as well as smoothing. This is actually a primer I'll be able to use. The Cover FX one was way too drying on me. It was so smoothing, but it made my skin look absolutely atrocious. It was so dry. This is a different story. I also love that it's in a glass bottle. I've been trying to be more eco-conscious lately, and plastic packaging just gets me so annoyed, but this is glass, which means that it can, you know, break down. It's recyclable. This is amazing. And let me just read. This is only $18. I always thought this was more expensive. They sell this brand in Sephora. I've looked at them so many times, but I haven't really got much from them. It says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Sol No Pore Blum. God, can I say that right? No Pore Blum primer. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen acts as adhesives, holding tight onto your makeup for many hours. Ah, I feel the green tea and collagen. Wow. I wish you guys could feel how this feels on the back of my hand. I'm so freaking excited for this. It also smells like a childhood scent. I don't know exactly what it smells like, but it smells like childhood. I'm so pumped for this. I've been getting since my eyes have been so dry, I feel like it's accentuating like the little crow's feet I have here because I smile a lot. Apparently that gives you crow's feet. So I'm so excited to try this. Ah, okay. This is amazing. Alright, next product in the box is from... I'm so excited for this. This is from Nude Stick. This is their Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and this is in the shade Copper Foil. If I had... like, the two brands I wanted to discover, like, try out stuff the most are definitely Nude Sticks and Milk Makeup. And I just have a bronzer from Milk Makeup, and I have two magnetic matte lipsticks from this brand, Nude Sticks, and I want more, but the Ulta that's near me doesn't sell it, and the Sephora that's near me also doesn't sell it. So it comes in a crayon form, and you just place it. Ooh, that is copper. You're supposed to be able to blend these out with your finger and make it, oh, that's a pretty nice wash. Wow. I think the primer underneath it is helping, but it looks so pretty. These are supposed to be like one and done, like easy on the go makeup, but also these are supposed to like stick down. And if this is anything like the magnetic matte lip formula that I have, it definitely sticks down and like it does not budge. This looks so pretty. It's going to be my go-to eye for this month. I can feel it. This retails for $24 as well. So this is as much as a mascara. And that's another reason why I haven't tried out stuff for nude sticks. I feel like it is a little bit pricey. Like, if you think about it, this is one eyeshadow and that's $24 and that's quite a bit of money. So I'm excited to try this, and maybe if I like it, I'll get like a whole palette, which is just essentially like a bunch of sticks. So this says super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. The Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for all day waterproof wear. Oh, this is so promising. I'm so excited for this. Okay, this is a great box. I knew it would be. Okay, the next thing I see is from Sol de Janeiro. We've gotten a few things from this company. I always want to say Rio de Janeiro, even though that's a city in Brazil. It's not. Okay, I had to unwrap it. We did get a mini size of the Bum Bum cream a while ago, and I have a thing with scents. Scents are really... they're hard for me. Sometimes they really irritate me and give me a really bad headache. So I wonder if this is the same. It's also a bigger size. I think we got a sample. Oh, it's professional. Whoa. That smells just like vanilla. I feel like I just put vanilla into cookies to make them. Oh, that... I'm gonna put a little bit, I guess on the other hand. Let me just put it on this hand. Oh, that feels incredible. That smell. Oh, you know what? When you put it onto the skin, like when you rub it in, it actually isn't as strongly scented as I expected it to be, because let me tell you, opening that, it was like the biggest whiff of fresh baked cookies of my life. But I put it on the back of my hand and like there's a soft scent about it, but it's nothing crazy. I actually think I'm gonna really like this. I can't stop smelling my hand now. I'm so sorry. This is a weird video. Oh, that is so much better than the Bum Bum cream. The Bum Bum cream smells like pistachio, and I love pistachio, but I can't stand the smell of it. It was too strong. I feel like I could use this on my hands and like my body at night and not wake up with a headache the next morning. That's exciting. Okay, and the last product is actually like, look at it. Oh, there it is. This... I'm also so freaking excited about. I saw the spoiler that we were getting either Pretty Vulgar highlighters or bronzers, and I wanted a new bronzer so badly. I feel like out of my collection, I have the least amount of bronzers because I find that it's hard for me to pick bronzers for myself. I am so freaking pale, and I feel like everything that I pick is really, really dark on me. So I like when people send me things so then I don't feel like, oh, it's my fault. But this looks like the perfect freaking shade for me. This is in the shade Bronzed B. I think this is going to be a freaking winner for me. Okay, this retails for $32. It says, this vegan matte bronzing powder gives your skin a natural, radiant looking finish. Enriched with ultra smooth, oil-free, lightweight pigments, this bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverage. Yeah, I'm so excited. I didn't really want a highlighter. I've been really into the Persona Cosmetics highlighter, which I have on my skin today, but this bronzer is about to be my favorite. I'm going to swatch it over the primer because that's just what we're doing today. Oh yeah. That is a bronzer that is going to work for me. I'm so excited. Wow, this is an amazing box. I'm also just really happy right now because I bought my first softbox yesterday, and I assembled it, and it took me like 45 minutes to do, and I have it on right now, and so I feel like so much more professional than I usually am. I feel like I am actually lit well, and I do have my Rode microphone here. I just forgot to get a battery for it. So I'm excited because I got my Boxycharm and I got everything that I wanted out of the variations. That makes me so happy. Boxycharm just freaking knows me. It just knows me. And yeah, this is a great day. Oh, I gotta total it up. Let me total it up. Okay, so the total for this month's box is $118, which is insane because this is only $21 a month plus tax. Now they have to add tax. And that is such a good deal. Honestly, the only thing I'm not super excited for is the mascara, which is what they were really pushing on social media. But everything else gets me so excited. If I didn't have makeup on already, this would be going on my face. I'm definitely doing this tomorrow. I'm so happy. Okay. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.